Position the Charthold wheel 6 inches from the end plates and move the carriage out of the way. Then press Charthold and examine the Charthold wheel assemblies. They should be fully extended. This can be determined by looking at the bottom edges of the two-part assembly. The two parts should exhibit parallel alignment. It is vital that the two sections of the assembly hinge to exert even wheel pressure. To adjust, loosen the two mounting screws that secure the Charthold lift motor assembly. If the motor is raised, move the Charthold limit switch up to prevent damaging. In diagnostic mode, the scale key is used to jog the cam into position, and the scale indicator will light when the switch is positioned and contact is made. Adjust the position of this switch so it will actuate at the top of the Charthold cam, illuminating the scale indicator, which simulates the switch off of the motor. The metal tab of the switch should not be stressed. When finished, make sure the Charthold gear motor bracket left edge is vertical and enough clearance is left for the top cover.